Okay, I'm ready to start with the sawing, and I'm on the top face right now, and I've got to hold it at two different angles. And I can't go, I'm not going to go all the way through. I've got to go down to the Tenon location, half an inch down, and that's where I've about stopped. And I'll just rotate over and now work this saw from this angle. And I go down to the location of the tenon. This goes this way. I didn't quite have the angle as far over as I needed to be on that. Finally, okay, those are those cuts. Now I've got the vertical cuts for the tenon. And I'll just mark across here a little bit so I can see the location that I need for the tenon cut. I'm sticking the knife in the little groove I have right there. A 5/8 diameter tenon. This will be a straight vertical cut then. Now, this is long grain, so I may start with this saw and switch to a rip cut saw. Oops, I've already gotten down to that end. I need to, there it is. Almost went too far with that, but it's fine. Now this one, I go deeper on this side, shallower on this side. I like to start with the cross-cut, cross-cut teeth. Get something started. And go with a rip. probably have to come in a little bit more from the side. Okay. Now I got these cuts. Now I just need to clean that up with some chisels, and I'll use a file to round over the tenon part. Now, see if I can start to work this with chisels a little bit. Let's see, I'm going to work that from this side, which you're not going to be able to see that work. Now I can chop straight down to remove some material on these tenons. Probably won't have to do much filing there. And that tenon is too long, so I'll have to trim that back. It'll only be maybe 3/4 of an inch long. I have a 5/8 wrench here, so I can. Oh, that's pretty good. That's real good. That'll fit nicely. That'll fit nicely. A little bit. See a little bit of cleanup I need to do around the base of this tenon. Don't want that base to hold it off. Okay, that looks good. Now I need to just cross-cut this at the length that it should be, and that length is shown. This is the top tenon, so that length of the tenon should be about right there. I'll just go ahead and trim that off. And just give that a little bit of a chamfer on the end. Now I may have to, that may still be a little long. And also the front tenon is too long. Chamfer that a little bit. Yeah, that's pretty good. Let me get the front leg. Oh, I haven't drilled the front leg on this side yet, so I need to drill that. There'll be a slight angle for this socket, because this will be going in at an angle somewhat like that. Let me get the back leg. I'm just going to zoom out a little bit. And so top here, and this tenon goes in that socket. Like that. work to do to make that fit, that'll work.